Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to your online class. So, please take out your book, EVS book, and go to page number 66, and you can find the chapter number 9, and the topic is changing families. So, let's begin. Here are some pictures of families. So, you can see some pictures of families in page number 66 and 67. Here are also some you cannot see the picture in this page, but also you can see 1 2 3 4 4 pictures given. Okay, these are the families of Nami, Nimi, Shirin and Nazil. So these are the families of Nazil. First is Nimi, Shirin and Nazil. Okay, so in this chapter you will find different families, and these are the families of Nimi, Chiring and Nazil. Okay, so let us look at these pictures, talk about what we see and discuss. So in this chapter we will find different pictures of different families. So first of all, what we have to do is we will just look at the pictures and we will discuss about whatever we see in the picture. So a new arrival. Okay, so new arrival means when someone is coming, some new person or someone is coming, guest, this is arrival. Okay, their arrival. There is great excitement in Nimi's family. So you all can see that here are the pictures, hospital, you can see a small baby, all this, and there is great excitement in Nimi's family. So we are talking about Nimi's family, and you can see the excitement. Okay, in her family she has a new baby sister. So why is there great excitement, or why are all the members of Nimi's family very excited? Because Nimi is also very happy because she has a new baby sister. So all the family members are very excited, okay, in Nimi's house or Nimi's family. So in page number 67 you can see, look at the pictures and write, okay, who were the members of Nimi's family before the arrival of her baby. So I told you that there was very exciting environment in Nimi's family, and why all the members of Nimi's family were excited? Because Nimi got her new sister, baby sister. Okay, so and here are some questions. Who were the members before the arrival of Nimi's baby sister? Who all were there? Okay, in her family, in Nimi's family. So father, mother, grandmother, and uncle. Okay, because you can see father and mother, and the baby sister just came, and this is grandmother. You can see grandmother, and when they four of them went to their house from hospital, you can see 1 2 3 4 5 people here. Okay, so that means Nimi, uncle, this is uncle, grandmother, father and mother. So this is the new arrived baby. Okay, baby sister. So before arrival of the baby sister, there were 5 family members, okay, along with Nimi. So you have to write father, mother, grandmother, Nimi and uncle. Okay, how many members are there in Nimi's family now? So before there were 5 members, okay, without counting baby sister. So now, okay, now how many members are there in Nimi's family? That means we have to write about now. Okay, after the arrival of baby, that means there will be 6 members. So let us talk. How do you think the lives of Nimi's family members have changed after the arrival of the new baby? So here is the question that you have to write how. Okay, after the arrival of the baby sister, now how will the lives or the living style of Nimi's family will be changed now? You have to write. For example, how will Nimi spend her day now? So before the arrival of her baby sister, Nimi was, maybe she was playing alone, she was going outside to find her friends and play with them. But now after the arrival, how will Nimi spend her day? So whole day, how will she spend? So maybe now after the arrival of baby, she will sit with the baby and baby sister, and she will play with the baby sister. So now you can see the difference before and after the arrival of baby. Okay, what new work will her mother do now? So her mother, okay, the work whatever her mother do, that will also be changed. She will take care of the baby, no, because maybe before the arrival of baby she was just cooking and cooking the dishes for the family and washing the clothes of Nimmi and her father, grandmother, uncle. But now, after the arrival of her baby sister, of Nimmi's baby sister, her mother's work will also change. Like she will take care of the baby, she will feed her milk, she has to wash baby sister's clothes also. So another one is there will be change in the daily work of Nimi's father. So there will be change, obviously there will be change in Nimi's father work also. Grandmother and uncles with the arrival of the new baby, can you tell how? So you have to write how all the works, all the daily work of Nimi's father, mother, grandmother, uncle, all this will change. You have to write. For example, you can write Nimi's father, grandmother and uncle will have to play with new baby, no? Because the new baby has just arrived and will have to look after them also, her also. As Nimi's mother would be busy with the baby, or the other members will also help her more. So all the members' work will be changed now, because before Nimi's mother was doing her work, but now Nimi's mother have to take care of the newborn baby also. So all the members, okay, like grandmother, uncle and Nimi's father, they have to help Nimi's mother, okay, to do all the household chores. So turn to page number 67. So page number 68, you can see, has a small brother or sister been born in your home or in any house in your neighborhood? So has any small brother or sister, okay, in your family, have you got any brother or sister, okay, just newborn, okay? So, or if not in your home, then in your neighborhood has a small brother or sister arrived, okay? You have to write how does it feel to have a new baby at home. So if you have a new baby at home, how do you feel? You have to write. So you have to write your experience. If you have new brother or sister in your home, like a newborn baby, you have to write, yes, a small baby was born in my neighborhood or in your home or neighborhood, okay? If not in your home, you have to write in neighborhood. How have things changed at home with the new baby? So if a new baby is born in the neighborhood, so in the house in which the baby is born, how is the how is the thing, okay, changed? How is the differentiation between the first time, the previous time, and the present time? So you have to write that everyone, you all know that if someone arrives at her home, like new baby or all the things, so everyone will be happy in the family, everyone will start planning about the new members, no, how they will take care of them, and some of the work which the mother did before has to be done by the other members, because the mother will be busy taking care of her child, okay? So find out all about the youngest child in your home and in the home of the relative, then write. So you have to write all the things. You have to first find out the youngest child, okay, in your home. If you have the youngest child in your home, you have to find the thing, and if not in your home, you have to find in the relative, okay, in your relative's house. So you have to write about all the questions given, okay? When was the baby born, the date, you have to write, is a baby boy or girl, okay? So if it is a boy, you have to write a boy. If it is girl, you have to write girl. And where, okay, the place, you have to write where the baby was born. Who does the baby look like? Does the baby look like father, mother? Maybe you have to write the thing. And what is the color of his or her hair? What is the color of his or her eyes? Does the baby have any teeth? You have to write that one also. Okay, what do you feed the baby with whatever food you give, the parents give. You have to write what is the baby's length, all this you have to write. And go to page number 69. Here are also some questions, that same questions, continuing questions. So you have to do all the things, okay. And the last question is that stick a photograph of the baby or draw a picture in your notebook. So you have to draw the picture of the baby, or if not, you have to paste the photograph, okay. You have to stick the photograph of the baby in the notebook, in your notebook. You have to answer all the things, and you have to stick a photograph, or if not photograph, you have to draw the picture in your notebook. So another place we will be talking about, here it is given new place, okay. The first one was Nimi's family. So now we are talking about Tsering's family. Tsering's father received a letter from his office. So Tsering's father was working in the office and he got a letter. The letter said that he was being promoted and would have to move to another city. So what happened was, he was working in his office and he got a letter from his office that he would be promoted. He is promoted from the previous position to the higher position, and they have to, all the Tsering's family have to move to another city. So you can see pictures. When Tsering's father showed the letter to his family, how do you think the different members would have felt? So when Tsering's father got the letter, and when he showed it to all the family members, how was the reaction? How do you think was their reaction? Okay, you have to write that one. That all the members, maybe all the members were happy, all happy, and to see the promotion of their father. Like Tsering was also very happy because he have to go to new town, because they have to move out, okay. But Tsering's father, mother, and grandparents were slightly anxious, as they had to make all the arrangement in the new town, because as they are moving to another or the new town, they have to make arrangement. They have to search for house and all these things, okay. Maybe they are a little bit worried also, okay. So page number 70, what will change in Tsering's family after his father's transfer? For example, who from Tsering's family will have to live with his father at the new place? Which school will Tsering go to now? Will he have new friends? So after Tsering family got transferred, after Tsering's father got promotion and he will be moved to another place, how will the family of Tsering, like how will Tsering's family change, okay, like the day-to-day thing, how will it be changed? So you have to write Tsering, his sister, his mother will live with his father at his new place. Obviously Tsering and his sister and father, mother will live in one place, in that shifted place, the place where they moved, okay. The new place has, and which school will Tsering go to now? Tsering will go to new school, because he will be living with his father, and his father will be moving to another city. Will he have new friends? You have to write yes, because in new school Tsering will have new friends, because he will talk with everyone and he will make new friends. Has anybody in your family moved to a new place because of work? If any members of your family have moved to another place, new city or new place, you have to write yes. If not, you have to write no, okay. What do you feel about this change? How do you feel? Okay, whatever you felt, you have to write the thing. If you feel that, if you feel happy, or if you feel happy to go to new place, you have to write that thing. And if you felt bad about all the things about leaving the first place or the previous or the present one, how will you feel? You have to write the thing, okay. Is there anyone in your class or school who has come to your school from another place? You have to write. If some your friends have come from another place, you have to write if so, talk to him or her. And where has she or he come from? You have to ask the person, and you have to write from where they came, okay. What was his or her old school, like how was her new old school? You have to ask him or her, okay. What does he or she find difference here? So from his or her previous school and the school they are coming, or the school, this present school, you have to write the differences. Okay, what type of differences they find. Okay, you have to write the thing. Does he or she like the change? So whatever change they face, do they like it or not, you have to ask them and write. So page number 71, you can see it's a wedding. So this is Nazli family. So first one I told you about Nimi's family, the new arrival of the baby sister, and the second one is Cheering's family, a promotion and the shifting or the moving out from their existing one. No, all this thing I told you. So the third family left is Nazli family. So you can see it's a wedding. So in Nazli family there is a wedding. There is great joy in Nazli's home today. It is very all the Nazli's family, our home is very happy. All of them are in great joy. Her elder cousin brother is getting married. Why all the members, all the people in Nazli's families are happy? Because Nazli's elder cousin brother is getting married. Okay, so let's talk. You can see the picture here. Do you think that there will be any change in Nazli's family after the wedding, after her elder cousin brother will get married? Then will she face any changes? You have to write. Do you think, what is your opinion? What will change? Whatever will change, you have to write the thing. Okay, so do you think there will be changes in the home from where the new bride has come? What kind of changes? So I told you that her elder cousin brother is getting married. So his wife, okay, in her sister-in-law's home, what do you think, that will there be any changes or not? There will be obviously change. Okay, yes, because there will be change in Nazli's family after the wedding. Also a new member will start to live with Nazli's family, because her sister-in-law will be the new person to be coming to be living with them. No, that is why they will face changes. Nazli will also get new sister-in-law. Turn to page number 72. So talk to your mother and aunts in the family. You have to talk to your mother and aunts in the family. Ask them about where they lived before they got married, because your mother and your aunts are not from your own family. No, they have come from different family to live with your father, and because after married they have to come to your father's place. So you have to ask, they lived with parents before, because before marriage we all know that after married we will go to our husband's house, but before that we will be living with our parents. Okay, who were the members in their families then when they were not married? Then you ask them how many members are, who all were living with them. Okay, so has anybody in your family been married recently? Just recently means just maybe 1 or 2 days, or maybe 1 or 2 weeks ago. Has anyone get married? You have to ask, you have to write. If yes, then you have to write when. Okay, you have to write the thing. Talk to your classmates and write all about what happened during weddings in their families. So all your classmates, you have to talk with all your classmates, and you have to write, you have to ask them, and you have to write how was the experience, or what they faced. Okay, what they see, the changes, or the works, or all the things, what they see. Okay, you have to, what happened in the wedding of their family, you have to ask them and write it there. What kind of special food is cooked? Because usually when we eat, we will just eat a simple food, but in weddings or all these occasions we will use different type of foods and all. You have to write what food they cooked. Okay, in their family wedding. What special clothes do the bride and bridegroom wear? So in the wedding, what did the bride and bridegroom, okay, they wore that thing also you have to write. what kind of songs and dances they are performed at weddings. So at weddings, what types of songs, okay, are played, and what type of songs are used to dance. You have to write the thing. So what did you see at the wedding that you attended? So you have to write. If you have attended any wedding, you have to write what did you see at the wedding. So you have to write the thing. Draw some pictures in your notebook, then look at the pictures drawn by the classmates. So you have to, if you have gone or if you have been to any wedding, you have to write, you have to think the environment you saw there, and you have to draw it in your notebook, and you have to show it to your friend, and you have to look, you have to check others, your friends notebook, okay, whatever they have drawn. We saw changes taking places in Nimi's, Shiring's and Nazli because of different reasons, okay. Because in Nimi's family a new baby was born, and in Shiring's family they were going to another place, and in Nazli family her brother, elder cousin brother was getting married. So you saw the changes, okay, in different family. In 3 of this family you can see the different changes, okay. So write down the reasons for this change. You have to write why did the changes took place. Like in Nimi's family, why was there changes? Because they got new baby sister. So in Shiring's family, because his father was promoted, and his father was moving or transferred to another city. So similarly in Nazli's family also, because his brother got married, you have to do all the things, okay. I will be sending all the answers through WhatsApp.